Hello, welcome to the channel. Today's recipe we are going to be using bitter melon. When you go to the grocery store, this is what it looks like. And what you do is you chop it and you sprinkle some salt just to let for the salt to draw out some of the bitterness from the melon. And then you cut up the ends, slice it up or dice it up, and then you're ready to go. I've already done mine. It's right here. As you can see, it was quite a bit, so when this was in season, I bought quite a bit of them, cut them all up, and then froze them. So this is a frozen bitter melon. You could also buy it at the grocery store already done, like processed, like frozen. If you go to the Asian market or one of those specialty stores. So I'm gonna use some olive oil. So we're just gonna make a basic recipe with this. So I am putting about 1.5 tablespoons of oil. I am gonna add to the oil some chopped onions. I am also gonna add some chopped garlic. Most, of course, the bitter melon is one of the low-carb vegetables, and because it is a bitter vegetable, it tends to be good for your kidney and your liver if you want to do kidney and liver detox. Okay. To the onion and garlic and olive oil, I'm just gonna add the melon now. Give it a brief stir. And to this mixture, I am going to add some of my seasoning blend. Onion powder, garlic powder, parsley, thyme, ginger powder. And I am going to put 2 heaping teaspoons of it. I have a recipe in the video for this blend. If you find that after you've tried the recipe that you think is still a little too bitter for you, what I would recommend is that use just cut this up and soak it in a very salty water, and then afterwards you have to drain it, and then drain it, rinse it, and then you could proceed with your recipe. This vegetable is also very good in soup, so you make a broth, you cut this into pieces, and then you add that to your soup. to make a nice detox soup.